Hello friends, I hope all of you are doing well. So in today's tutorial we will learn how to add signature while composing an email. So I have already opened my Gmail account. Now what I will do, I will go to settings, which is right there at top right corner. Okay, just click the settings. Then after clicking you will see this page. You can see no signature is already selected by default. So just below that no signature there is a box. You need to write the signature over here. So I'm just writing my signature. Warm regards. Okay, then comes my name, and after that I will add my phone number. Okay, and if you wish to add any other detail you can add. So now I'm done with my signature. Okay, now scroll it down. You can see there is a button save changes. Okay, so you need to click that save changes button. Now let's see will it works or not. I will compose one email. Click on compose mail. You can see my default signature is already there. Okay, so that's the process. I hope you like the video and keep tuned to my channel for latest updates. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.